Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is Rukundo, son of Sam. We are back. We are back. We are back. Today, I'm feeling a lot of energy. I don't know why. Today, I'm feeling a lot of energy. I don't know why. We are going to extract money in the market. Trust me. Alloy, Alloy, good day. Ibrahim Herosa. Then we have Aloyo, Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, Aloywo, Lagos in Nigeria. Aloywo, Lagos in Nigeria. James Darius Mazma from Jinja. Darius Mazma in Jinja. Tell me where you are watching from so that I can send you hugs, guys, so that we can start. Today I'm feeling a lot of energy. I know we are going to extract money in the market. Hello, big boss. Forex graduate. Francis, hello. I'm doing great. I'm doing great, Francis. Francis Chikwechi. You are from Nigeria. I know. I can read your name. I know where you come from, Francis. Francis Chikwechi. You are from Nigeria. Ivan Sembabure. A son of Sem. Ovam. Good to have you, son of Sem. Hope you are well in Zambia. Here in Kasangati. From Rwamparambara. Greetings from Rwanda to Tunga. I'm coming in Rwanda, guys. I will be coming in Rwanda, but our trip is going to first go. We go in Kenya, our Musumali tour, African tour Musumali. We are going to visit all African countries, trust me. Botswana, Zambia, Rwanda, Kenya, Nigeria, Cameroon. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming, guys. Saban Moyo from Botswana, the oldest Magora Musumali. Yeah. Mutukula. Hey, Mutukula on the board of Tanzania. James, greetings. Greetings from Gambia. I also have one people in Gambia. If you also organize very well, I will come in Gambia. This will be African tour. And I will be doing it free of charge. I will be teaching you Musumali free of charge. Fiona from Gayaza. Water for Atapa today. No doubt today we are going to eat karo. People have been laughing at us because we are not winning. People, they are always happy when we are winning some trades. They forget that we win some, we lose some, as long as the outcome is income. Purity from Kenya. Simon Makin. Hey, Simon, tell me, did you grab that gold trade? Because for me, gold has already given me. I don't know if you have also won gold trade. Here, son of Sam. Greetings from Kapchorwa. That is Moses. Purity from Kenya. Much love from Rwanda. Yes, Rwanda, I'm coming. Rwanda, we are going to come. And I'm going to spend there the whole month. So whenever you are, just know in Rwanda, we are going to come. Yeah. So without further ado, I think we can dive into the charts and we start extracting money in the market. Without further ado, I think we can enter in the chart and we start extracting money in the market. Isaiah the King for United Arab Emirates. Much love from Burundi. I don't trade London session. Hey, you were also sleeping. Karo, today we are eating Karo. Today we are going to eat Karo. No doubt about that one. Eating Karo today is a must. Good evening, mentor. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm really doing great. I'm really doing great. I'm really doing great. Matthias, UG. Yeah, Matthias. I think we can start, guys. Moziso, VIP member here. Hey, so tell us about VIP, guys. Are you enjoying there or we scammed you? Very many guys, they have been scared of being for my VIP because what I think mentors, what they are doing on the internet, it is not good, guys. Imagine taking someone's fail to give him what you promised him. It is always sad. So that's why we came in this industry to do cleansing. So Moses show tell us how is VIP? How is VIP taking you? Are you enjoying or you regret for paying US 300 US dollars? Son of Sam, great, greet you from Nigeria. Michael. Michael from Nigeria. Mm-hmm. Press those like buttons. Press those like buttons. We are going to start. Today we are going to extract money in the market, guys. Trust me, no doubt. Today we are extracting money in the market. Moses Oteras, how is the VIP? Matthias UG. It's great, boss. I'm enjoying maximum. That's great. That's great. Good feedback. Yeah, you see, when you are giving people a right information, they will always praise you. But when you are giving them people, they can say through bullshit. So for us, we are always committed 100% to make sure that we give services to you. Even those who can't afford VIP, that's why we have come together here to know that for sure we can extract money in the market. Over in the market. So let me inform those ones who we are in our VIP. I think they have already informed them. Yeah. I think let us start, guys. Let us dive into the charts. We start with which pair? Tell me where you are seeing Musumali so that we can start from there. Tell me where you are seeing Musumali so that we can start on that pair. Tell me where you are seeing Musumali so that we can start on that pair exactly immediately. So let us start with gold. Today we are trading the famous Musumali strategy. Those who doesn't know about Musumali strategy, please check out on our videos there on YouTube. If you are new here, check out our videos, then you start enjoying the famous Musumali strategy. Gold has already given us. Gold has already paid dividends. If you have grabbed it, then you are the top G. Yeah. Already in the house. Hey, Momo, salute, Momo, my girl, my lady. Momo people, they are complaining that I like you so much. I like you so much. Then, and I always wonder. People, they want me to like men. When my girls are here, I know men they can survive in all conditions. But my girls are, it is always hard to survive. So I want them to get what we call freedom. And I'm going to use all my gallery, everything in my gallery to make sure my girls get freedom. Financial freedom. Financial what? Financial freedom. Financial freedom. So I know boys, they can survive in all corners of the world, but my girl, it is always hard. My girls, it is always what? My girls, it is always hard. That's why I like Momo. And I've not yet seen my girl Taonga Kawonga. Lola. Lola, where are you? Lola, where are you? So we are going to start with gold. Gold has already given us, because I've checked on my. Oh, you are new here? Yes, you are welcome. By the way, I think you need even to thank God who have directed you here. Because for us here, we have what we call the holy grail of trading. Kasim, yes, yes. You are going to watch these videos. You see how we are going to be extracting money in the market today. Then, with time to come, you will understand. You will understand the famous Musumali strategy. So here, what are we waiting on? Gold. If we can get another setup here. If we can get another setup here, let us first remove all the drawings. But me, gold has already given me. I don't know if you grab this gold or they didn't trigger your take profit. Because you find sometimes on MT5, they are always the far somewhere or somewhere. So if they didn't trigger your take profit on that move, then you are gone. You are already out. Son of Sam FX Pro, demo trader, question mark. Demo trading, we always offer demo trading in our circle. It is non-profitable circle for our traders to make sure that they don't lose a lot in the market. Because as you know, guys, trading is full of chaotic. People, they lose a lot of money, they are and they are what. So we started a community, the circle, to help our traders to make sure that they benefit in the what we call our circle here. So on gold, what are we waiting for? Since it is here, we are going to mark the nearby area of benefit. This is our area of benefit. What do we want? We want the market to come and sweep liquidity. So far now, our liquidity here, our liquidity is on these angles. But before we go there, those who have been not following us, we have taken so far how many trades? Let me first check. We have taken so far how many trades? Let me first check. Check. We started when we are starting trading live. Our goal was to take the next 20 trades. We see how many can we win, how many can we lose. So people, that this Musumali strategy, it is one of the wonderful strategies. I understanding. So we started documenting every trade that we are taking. Understand, to see for sure can we really extract money trading live. People, they say son of Sam. You just talk so as when you are trading live. And even I started the YouTube channel. But I started the YouTube channel, YouTube live, trading live, to make sure that everything that we are taking, every trade that we have taken, it is documented. It is here, guys. Those who can say no, you can go and watch all the trades that we have taken. And watch all the trades we have what? all the trades we have taken. YouTube trading live. So far, we have taken 16 trades. We have lost how many? Today we have taken, so far we have taken 16 trades and we have lost 5 trades. That means we have won 11. So 11 minus 5, you remain with 6%. So far we are in 6% profit. If you are risking 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, we are in 6% profit since we started trading. And our goal is to take the next 20 trades. We see how many we are going to win, how many we are going to lose. Are you understanding, guys? The goal is to take the next 20 trades. The goal is to take the next 20 trades. So far we are now 16, so we are remaining with 14. And after when we complete these sets of 20 trades, we are going to change the criteria of how we are going to be taking our trades. We are going to look for 10 pairs that will be trading. Then those who want to follow me from the start up to the end, you will open your account, separate account. Then you start executing the trades that I will be taking on live here. We are going to change the formula next time when we complete these sets of 20 trades. We are going to be looking for 10. We are going to be looking for what we call 10 pairs. Then we focus on those ones. Today USD paid dividends. Asian session also gold has given me. Thanks Musumali. Vita Mugabe. That is the proof that I want you from sending you guys. So you mean there are not others who have taken those trades? You think Vita Mugabe is the only one who is winning? No. Tell me which trades did you take? Yeah, the links to open the accounts, we are going to send them in our VIP group. Niklash is working with HFM. I think she's going to send you the link of HFM. You open those accounts. Then we are going to trade live together. You tell me how much you are going to make. Don't mix my live account with your trades. Follow everything that I will be telling you on live. Trust me, by the time we complete our sets of 20 trades, you will be in profit. Leave alone those who want to win every day. No. There is no one who can win every day. I remember Jasrev Moa said, there is those praying fools that think that they can take money home every day. If you think that you want to take money home every day, then you are praying for. Here we win some, we lose some, as long as the outcome is income. And we know we always win after series of trades. And guys, every time I come here, all your focus is on trades, wins and wins. No, let us your focus be on how we execute our trades, how patient we are to wait our setups. Have we ever taken something which is not like Musumali? We always take the only Musumali, and our strategy is playing like a day. If we don't understand our strategy, then you are wrong. You forget about trading, because this is one of the easiest. This is one of the easiest strategy in the I understanding. So guys, someone has said we check on AUDJPY. So let us dive in AUDJPY. So far we have taken 20 trades, we have taken 16 trades, we lost 5. We have won 9. Does it mean we not a good? That's how professional traders make money. That's how we have managed to extract tens and tens of 1,000 in this market. We don't live and die on a single trade. We always trade our trades in the sets of trades, and we always see our profit after series of trades, guys. Not that trade we are going to take, not taking today, not that trade we are going to take tomorrow. So losses are questions of the business. And by the way, when you are taking Musumali strategy, I was telling my guys in VIP, we don't make losses in Musumali strategy, no, because there is no way you can make a loss. It is, we call it the costs of the business, because at the end of the day, you know, if I follow my rules religiously, every after series of trades, I will always be coming out as a winner. There is nothing else. There is nothing that you will get out of this market apart from that. I understanding. So that is what we are waiting for here. Maybe on 4H, let us check 4H and we see what is taking place there. Even 4H, there is no setup. Let us check on 2H. Maybe if that 2H rejects and comes back in this area, then we can enter when they start breaking the highs of it. So let us check on, someone was said, let us check on AUDJPY. 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 Today I'm feeling good moods. I know we are going to extract money in the market, guys. AUDJPY. I don't have it here on the list. Let me add AUD. AUDJPY. Australian dollar. Oz dollar versus Japanese yen. Oz dollar versus Japanese yen. They are telling me I've exceeded certain symbols. I have to delete some pairs, to add some pairs. Let me remove Ugandan shillings here. It's just wasting our AUD JPY. What are they? Which even watch even more in your watch list. You have exceeded certain symbols limit for account. Upgrade subscription to up to 1,000 account. Yeah, but I've paid you guys. Why are you want to stop me from? But I've removed some symbols. AUDJPY. 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 No data. AUDJPY, we are going to review on. AUDJPY, let us forget about. Analyze GJ, please. Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. But Japanese yen, we have been in downtrend. Let us first check on data and we see how we can check the trend of JPY. JPY, we had breakout here. So that was our last swing high. After breaking out of it, we started a downtrend, but this downtrend didn't last for a long period of time. Since this candle has closed above here, let me first remove this one. So here on GJ, we are now started looking for what we call buys. We have changed the trend because it was a break. It was because here on GJ, it was breakout. So we're expecting to come back and retest here and it continues. So if it failed, we're going to mark here. By the time they break out and they come back and they tested here, we started selling. And indeed, we made our money here when we are selling. So, but it has changed the trend. It has come, and we say if it comes back here and we get a candle that crosses above here, we are going to start looking for buys again. Or maybe if this one turns red again and it comes back down here, we continue looking for sales. So that's how we manage our trends so that we don't fall into those what? Those traps of trend, of not following our trend, because trend is not a house mistress. If you don't follow the trend, then you are playing with girls. So now we have confirmed that GJ is in uptrend. GJ is in uptrend. We have now confirmed that GJ is in the uptrend, so we are looking for what we call buy. So we go in right time frame and we see how we can be looking for what we call buys on GJ. 2H time frame. Let me check on 2H if it had given us dividends. Yes, on 2H, yes. Sure? No. There was no area of benefit. Maybe if it had tapped here on this level, which I don't think it didn't tap there. So there is no trade here on GJ because now we are looking for buy. So to get a trade on GJ, we are going to mark this area of benefit. If we can get a trade, if we can get them when the market comes back, for example, in this area and we get Musumali, then we are going to take buys on GJ. That is what we'll be waiting for on Great Britain pound here. And something else, how do you Nkoja media, how do you measure 1-to-1 or 1-to-2? Yeah, we use what we use this tool in TradingView. You see, for example, here we have what we call long and short. So if you are going in buys, it means wrong. So you, for example, let's say that here you want to risk 1-to-2. You put like here on this Musumali, let's say this Musumali was valid and you pull very well, you put here your stop loss. So after putting your stop loss, as you are seeing in this chart here, inside the charts here, as you are seeing inside the charts here, they are showing you 3.5. So if you want to risk 1-to-3, it is what you do. If you don't want to risk 1-to-3, this tool is going to help you to calculate what we call risk to reward ratio. So 1-to-1, you put it down, then it is going to show you where there is 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 is there. You can see it properly. Understanding this is 1-to-1 in the middle there. If you can read it very, very well, you see there is 1-to-1. If you want 1-to-2, that's how you increase. That is the tool that you use. Analyze GJ, AUDUSD. Let us check on AUDUSD. Guys, I'm not feeling vibe. Today we are going to extract money in the market. Maybe we don't get them smart. I want to feel your vibe. AUD. We are looking at what? AUD, USD, Oz dollar, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, Oz dollar, Oz dollar, Oz dollar, Oz dollar. Yeah. Let us check on Oz dollar, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Let us go on 1H time frame. Yeah. I think there is a very good setup here. We can mark on this level. So our liquidity is where we can say this was the liquidity, but this candle swept it. So we remained with at least, we said to consider something as liquidity, it is supposed to be at least 2 candles. And here we have this one and this one, which has, and even this one, which is inside, and we got this Musumali that had come to sweep liquidity here. So we are going to take buys on Australian dollar. But let us first check the higher time frame. We see Australian dollar, is it in downtrend, uptrend? Yeah, Australian dollar is in uptrend. Australian dollar is an uptrend, very well, perfect. That means we can take. That means we can take what we call. That means we can take what we call. Buys on Aus dollar. We can take what we call buys on Aus dollar. So if you are trading Aus dollar, me, I don't trade Aus dollar. I've given you a green light. Set your 1-to-1. Someone who was saying how do we calculate 1-to-1? Now I think you can pay attention, then you see us setting 1-to-1. So we are going to get this tool, which is wrong tool. Then we put it here. Remember, we do all our we call 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So we have started hunting now. This is what we call hunt. We on our hunt already. So someone else, you can tell us where you want the pair. Is gold still going sales? No, gold, we are looking for buys. Gold, we are looking for buys. Gold is in uptrend. We always follow the trend. When you see people running, run with them. When you see people doing what, go with them. GBO, 2 GBO, or you mean GBP USD? Maybe you mean GBP USD. Let us check on GBP USD. Even there, I'm seeing setup on EuroCAD. So if you are trading also EuroCAD, you can still enter that setup. It is very okay, since it has swept this liquidity. Let me say if there are more sellers than buyers in that candle. Let us check if there was more sellers than buyers in this candle. 6.3, 11. That means there are more buyers than sellers in that candle. So you are also supposed to take that one. So let us check on GBP USD. Great Britain pound, then Japanese. Great Britain pound, then United States dollar. Great Britain pound, then United States dollar. Great Britain pound, United States dollar. Let us see. It was a very, 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 very good setup. But did it give us take profit? Those who have taken it in the London session. So what is doing now, it is not good, it is not healthy, it is like a breakout, continue going down. So let me first check if it had already given us 1-to-1. But you see the trades that we have been taking here on GBP/USD. We got this Musumali. This shows that our strategy works. We are not gambling with anything. This was our setups. They were all hit what we call take profit on this Musumali. This one. So our strategy, it really works. If you can even see here, we got this Musumali. So here we are also going to take this Musumali and see. Let me first remove all the drawings. Then we analyze very well. So this was, remember, GBPUSD is in uptrend, so this was one of the best setup. Even if you have lost it, trust me, if you keep taking the same setups again, it has not yet lost it, but it is likely to lose because it is a breakout continuation going down, as you are seeing there. So let me say if it had hit your take profit. You roast this one, if you roast this one, you are going to roast it by pipette. Pipette. So guys, that is it. Sometimes it happens. That means our system works, but our risk to reward ratio, it is the one that is going to betray us here. If you are already in that trade, but if it comes back here on the entry point, if we get a candle that is going to come and cross like this, we can enter here. We are going to enter, hoping to hit the profit here. Yeah. So if it has not yet done that, let us first check on Euro USD. Euro USD, it is also performing very well. Euro USD, it is performing very, very, very well. But if it comes back also on entry point, then we are going to enter. It has swept liquidity here. By the way, I'm too bullish on Euro. Because daily we are in uptrend, I've done already analysis. So if Euro comes back here on entry point, we are going to enter this setup. And Euro is likely to give us, it is looking better than what we call. It is looking good better than. It is looking good better than. It is looking good better than what? GBPUSD. And remember, you can't take Euro USD and GBPUSD at the same time. No, they move in the same direction. So you need to choose one. Understanding? You need to choose one pair that you are going to be doing what? Taking. Don't take GBP and USD at the same time. Don't take gold and silver at the same time. Don't. Oh, GB, you want to look at BTC trend? Yes, we are going to look at it. By the everything and reference that we are giving you, it is reference of smart strategy. Don't say that, but ICT says that. Here, don't tell us you are ICT, don't tell us anything else. Here we trade what we call the famous smart strategy. Understanding? Understanding? Here we trade what we call famous smart strategy. So everything that we are giving you, it is a reference of Musumali strategy. So our last move up was this one. Since this one didn't break the highs of this, so that was our last move high. They didn't break the highs of it. If this one had broken the highs of this candle up there, then it comes back, and then we would sit here and we were hoping to test, see which they did, and we would be in downtrend. But since they didn't do that, what are we looking for? According to smart strategy, that means this is our last swing high. This is our last what? This is our last swing high. So where did it start from? It started from here. Since it started from here, what do we want? We want the market to start going in downtrend, to come and break out, then they test this level, then we start saying. But before they do that, that means we are still in what we call uptrend. And like the way you are seeing, even here, there is a very good news. BTC had already sipped liquidity, so that means we are heading, we are still have higher chances of continue going where up. And remember, I told you where everything started from on BTC. I had one of the live, and I told you BTC had come to sweep which liquidity which we had. You guys, if you have been following me, that means you have already made a lot of money on Bitcoin, because even me, that's when I started buying my Ethereum on these levels, even though for it has not yet started going up, but that's how I started buying my Ethereum. Remember me on coin, on cryptocurrencies, I don't trade them live. I don't do spot trading. I do what we call, I own assets, digital assets of it. So here, I told you when we were on our live, I said BTC had come to sweep which liquidity. Which liquidity do we have here? Hmm? So we are supposed to mark that level. That is where we had liquidity. Maybe even where? Even here. So this market came. I did this live when we were even still here. I told you we have already got this Musumali. I understanding. So we said there is higher chances of Bitcoin continue going up, at least to test these levels. And someone said, but son of Sam, don't you think we are in halving? Bitcoin is dropping, is in halving. Then you hear people, because they use cram work. Halving. We are using Musumali strategy. You are telling us halving. And sometimes I don't always give some people's here, because when you give attention to donkeys, they think that they are lions. When you give attention to donkeys, they think that they are what? They are lions. So now BTC, we are in uptrend, my friend, according to Musumali strategy. And if you don't give reference to Musumali strategy, then you are going to die, because this is the only strategy that works in all financial markets. Understanding? So now you are supposed to be going in lower time frame like 1H, then you start looking for what we call the famous Musumali strategy. Understanding? So now we go on 2H. There is no setup for H, 3H. 3H maybe if you have entered on this one, but it is also like buying the top, which I don't like most. There's a check on 4H. 4H, it is the same, but if you have taken this one and you're still holding on it, no problem. But we had our very good setups. For example, here, this was the best Musumali. If you have taken it, then you are top G. But trust me, guys, there is no any strategy that is better than Musumali. Because here you see those guys who have been taking those Musumali, they have been paid dividends. They have been paid what we call dividends. Understanding? Son of Sam. Check on gold. Gold, I'm bullish on gold, guys. I'm really bullish on gold. Gold, we are going to go up. Just it is torturing us, but there is higher chances on gold to go where? Up. Yeah, we can take this one if it closes. Let me check. Did it sweep liquidity or liquidity that we have even on the down candle there? Let us first check proper and we see. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest store in the shed. Remove all the drawings, then we see if we are going to pay to get the dividends. So to take gold, it is supposed to sweep all this liquidity starting from this Maribu candle here. At least. Yes, this candle didn't do that. Even though it has swept this liquidity, but I ask myself, why did it leave the bottom of that candle? Because those who are in VIP, they understand how dangerous is that candle. The market will always come back to sweep liquidity on those candles. Maybe if we go into H, if it keeps rejecting like this, and it gives us, and it closes like in this levels when we have buyers, more buyers than sellers, then we are going to take what we call buys. But for now, we are waiting for BTC to sweep all the liquidity that we are having there down. At least on that Maribu candle. Because so far even this BTC, so if it can close like this, then we get a candle that will come and sweep liquidity at least on that 4H, then we are going to be taking what we call was it USD card or AUDUSD? Which pair was that? It was AUDUSD. Yeah, it is not rocking shabby. Let us hold on it. It is not rocking shabby. So guys, tell me where you are seeing Musumali so that we can do what? We can do that. Gold is not yet, it is not yet entered in our devil zone properly. Let us first reach in devil zones, then we are going to do what? We are going to do what? We are going to be taking setup. So guys, what I can tell you, so far we have taken so far. This one we are also going to count it because so far we have taken how many trades? We have taken this one. If we add it, is going to be our 17th trade. Yeah, it is going to be our 17th trade. Then we have 5 losses, 11 wins. 5 losses, 11 wins. 5 losses, 11 wins. So this one, it is still moving. We don't know what is going to happen next, and there is no one who can predict the future. But we know with Musumali's strategy, we know we win more than we lose, but we can't know when we are going to lose. We can't know when we are going to win. Our role as a trader is to keep executing those trades flawlessly. Understanding it, and we wait for what tomorrow will bring. And that's why this business is difficult, because if you do, it is like when you are in this world, you don't know how long you are going to stay. So if you're having your money, you can say, should I eat all my money because I don't know when I'm going to die? What if you are going to live 100 years? Now, what if you are keeping your money and you keep hurting yourself, not eating what you want, not enjoying what you want, when you are going to die next week? So even life, it's life, it is game of probability. So to be on the safe side, enjoy half of your assets, keep half of your assets. I'm not finance advisor. You can look for your advisor to help you on that one, but this is the formula that I use. In Uganda, there is a guy who sang a song. It is called Victor Kamenyo. He said in the Sekubanjawuro, bargabane byange bwende banvude bargabana. When I die, they will start sharing my things, my assets. So as long as I'm still alive, I don't hurt myself. So if you want to hear that song very well, baragabana ebyange bwe banfudde baragabana kyolaba nze seeko banjawulo the Baganda they know it very well. We are seeing trade when you take 11 wins 6 losses. No, this is not a loss. How can you know that it's going to be a loss? It can't be a loss. It can be either win or a loss. So you are supposed to, you can't know what is going to happen on that one. Our role is just keep quiet and we wait. We can't count it as a loss. Oh, my plan had already expired. That's why they were telling me that I can't add some pairs. I didn't know that my plan had expired. That's why I can't even backtest now. So, but this cannot change the thing. So we check on what? So that means we'll be checking on the pairs that we already have here. Which pair are you saying? Card chef. Do we have it on the list now? Card chef, card chef, card chef. Card chef, and I can't go in those things of payment now. And I don't think they will add it here on the list. Card safe, they have refused to bring it, so I'm sorry for that, but I can check here on my phone. Let me check on my phone direct here on MT5 and I see for you card chef. Card chef, card chef, card chef. So God is doing what we want on 2H. We are going to end it on 2H. We are going to enter gold on 2H, guys. We are going to enter gold on 2H time frame. Gold on 2H time frame, we are going to enter. We are going to enter gold on 2H time frame. I'm also looking for my phones so that I can enter this gold trade live. I'm also looking for gold trade so that I can enter this gold trade live here. I was supposed to check for you, Chef. Let me check for you, Chef. It was which pair? Card Chef. Okay, let me check on MT5 here. Since trading view, it has started limiting us because our plan has expired. That is what we call Card Chef. Card Chef. I'm checking for you on MT5 here. But gold, let me put here gold, then we see how gold is performing. Gold is performing very well. So because if we go into H, yeah, That is it. On 2H, we are entering gold. On 2H, we are entering gold. So, Chef, what were you talking about, Chef? Yeah, if Chef closes like that and you get more buyers than sellers in that week, in that candle, you will enter buys, no problem. But for us, we are waiting on gold here. Yes. We are going to enter gold trade live here. We are going to enter gold trade live. Live here. Sweetheart, put water for Carol. Those who were laughing at us that we are not going to eat carrot today. My sweetheart. Sweetheart, put water for Carol. It's already there. Hey, you also knew. You also knew that we are going to eat Carol. And so when they start breaking the highs of this candle, guys, it is when we are going to enter. Don't see a cow and you call it meat. Wait, they first slaughter it. Wait, they first slaughter it, then you call it a meat. Okay? Okay? Wait, they first slaughter that cow, then you call it a meat. So you can sharpen your MT5. We are going to eat. We win some, we lose some as long as the outcome is income. Yes. Our role is to keep executing our trades flawlessly. Yeah. So we want it to cross like this. Then we are going to enter when they start breaking the highs of this candle. Yes, we are going to enter when they start breaking the highs of this candle. Stop loss on the broader candle. What do I mean, Caro? And because every time we get the Musumali, it is time for eating. And me, I like eating Caro. So that's why I'm telling my sweetheart, put water for Caro because I'm about to eat. I think now you know the meaning of Caro. What do I mean for Caro? Caro, it is one of the best food in Uganda. Yeah, gold and bullish on it. I'm bullish on gold and Euro USD, by the way. So we are going to enter when they start breaking the highs of it. So I would like to first go down little to make the lower wick, not just start immediately going up. Because when it goes up before it makes lower wick, it will always come back to make that lower wick before it goes up. But for us, as long as they start breaking the highs of that candle, we will be having nothing to do. So now even me, let me set my buy stop here. We see what tomorrow will bring. We see what tomorrow will bring. So, if they come back on the entry point on Euro, we are going to enter. But it looks shabby on 4H. Very shabby. Maybe if they first break the lows of that Euro, then that's when we are going to plan to enter there. So, if gold doesn't give us from here, it is likely to come down here on these levels. So put it in your mind and know it is likely, it is having higher chances also to come back in these levels. and sweep all this liquidity, then there we are going to be having a very, very, very good setup that is telling us that we are going up. Sweep that liquidity. But since it has not yet done that, we are still sticking with our plan. Let me check on 4H. 4H it doesn't look bad at all. But what I wanted it to first come down a little to make lower wick so that when we go up, we don't come back down. 3H also, it is remaining with few hours to cross. So our target is on 2H. But we'll enter when they start breaking the highs of that candle. Yeah. When they start breaking the highs of that candle, we'll remain with nothing to do. Do we have any news? Let me first check on Forex Factory. Because we fear CPI and NFP. Forex Factory is clean today. We don't have any news. I was checking because for me, I trade prop farm because you can enter news, then you hear some people crying. You will hear them crying, regretting. Why did they enter that trade? So on gold, I'm setting my buy stop here so that we can start doing something else. I'm setting my buy stop on gold. I'm setting my buy stops here on gold because I'm setting on like 3 pairs. So relax. Set also your buy stop. Breathe in and out. Because I know some people, the heart beats very fast when they are entering trades. Trading is sweet when you know what to do. When you are pressing this trade like that, I'm going to press now. Buy stops knowing that I fear nothing. I fear nothing. Don't hear the sound and you think I've entered the trade. No, it is a buy stop. I know you guys, you like that sound so much. Oh my God. Set your buy stop, breeze in, breeze out. Me, I even set my stops at once. I even set my stops at once. So gold, what is doing, it is very healthy, because remember, for H, when it crosses, it is supposed at least first come back down there and by the one other thing that I can tell you, when you are buying FTM and you can hold your trade, you can trade news, you can do all that, always buy swing account. Always buy what we call swing account. Please always buy what we call swing account. Because swing account, you can hold your trades overnight, over the weekend, you can trade news. So I'm not just because they reduce on your average. But the best prop firm now that I can recommend to you, it is what we call funding pips. And when you use the code same in calculator, you get 20% discount. I understanding 20% discount. The reason why I trust funding pips now, if you go and trust Pilot, their review are very good. It's not because I'm having their code, it is why I'm telling you to buy it, because I also have a code of Funded Next. I have a code of Handtech, but so far now, which is the best for me now is funding pips. So among my top 5 prop firm now, if I'm to buy for anyone, or if you want to buy funding pips. If you use the code same in calculator SEMU, you get a 20% discount. That is hitting a jackpot, guys. It is like hitting what we call jackpot. It is like hitting what? Jackpot. So make sure you use code SAME on funding pips. You will get what? 20% what? Discount. I'm setting my buy stops here. Don't say that, son of Sam. You are too silent. But I'm also setting my buy stop when I'm telling you the best prop firm to buy. Understand? Because prop firm, it is the way to go. But we are also going to start trading live on live market. We will be doing corporate trading. Imagine corporate trading. I'm understanding that. Corporate trading, but it is going for those who have paid for VIP, because we can't allow you to copy on our trades when you don't know what to do. Because some people, after losing 2 trades, 3 trades, they can say, son of Sam, you told us we are going to win. And we even reach an extent of saying, son of Sam, we are tired of winning. Then why are we losing? Then I also ask myself, when did I tell you that you're not going to lose? We are going to lose and lose. But trust me, after series of trades, we will always come out as winners. That's what separates us from gamblers. And that's what making this trading full of fun business. If it was for everyone coming, winning, then even fools would be making money here, but here fool can't survive. Here it is the game, it is mind game. With weak mind, trust me, you will never survive. With weak mind, you can't survive. With weak mind, you can't survive. So what is doing now, gold? I like that. It is what I was waiting for. To first make the lower wick before we go up. Because trust me, if you go up without making the lower wick, those who understood candlestick, especially those guys in my VIP, they know it very well. If the market goes up direct and if the Maribo candle, it will always come back and pick that row and continue going up. That's why it is always advisable. That's why it is always advisable the market to pick those rows. Mhm. So now I'm done with my stop orders. Now the rest is going to be history. So tell me, last time gold sweepers, we are in present. Stop crying for poured milk. That was last time, and that's why people they don't make money in this market. You keep recording what happened last time. You can't be having control of what happened last time. You can't have control of what happened last time. What you have control on is your strategy, is keep executing your trades that you are supposed to be executing. But you can't hold trades during news on funding pips. On first phase and second phase, you can hold trades. You can hold trades during news. The problem is that they can't hit your stop loss or take profit within 5 minutes. So holding trade within news, it is okay, but they are not supposed to hit your stop loss or take profit within 5 minutes of the opening news and the close of the news. That's where the problem is. But on first phase and second phase, you can trade news, you can hold trades overnight. But on overnight, on funding pips, they allow it. And they even allow it on what we call funding pips on live account overnight. UK 100. UK 100, it has been paying us very well, by the way. Those who doesn't know UK 100, I fell in love with the index. UK 100, it is paying us very, very, very well. Hey, Rora, you finally came. I saw you get lost in Nigeria. We were waiting for you here, Rora. And everyone was asking himself, where is Rora? Son of Sam is not going to teach us very well since Rora is not present today. You are talking about UK 100 and I'm not seeing anything here. H2, this is H2. UK 100, there is no setup. Maybe if you had got this one, then you are top G. By the way, UK 100, it is the best of the best. But you guys, do you see how Musumali is sweet? How people are benefiting in this Musumali. So this was the top notch. If we had got that one and it happened today, that is the power of Musumali strategy. Are you seeing? But do you know what I mean? We took that one when we arrived, I think. No, this one happened recently. When we arrived, we took this one. And it gave us what we do, what we want. The Musumali always, by the way, this index, it respects Musumali more than before. Hey, my Rora was very sick. Well, even me, I was not feeling well. I knew there was something wrong. I knew there was something wrong. Because I was feeling weak, I knew that maybe one of my best friend is not feeling okay. That's what? That's UK 100. Is there any other UK 100 which is not this one? It's not UK 100. Which UK 100? This is UK 100. UK 100. Are you not seeing it very well? I zoom in. Maybe there is another pair that I don't know. We have not yet started entering on gold. Gold, we say we are going to enter when it is going down, when it is going up. And you are saying, why are we buying on gold when it is going down? Yes, you can't go when something is going up. You buy when it is down so that you can make profit when it is going up. When you buy when it is already up, people have already bought. That is a psychology behind this business. We buy on a pullback because if the market is moving like this, so do you buy from here or you buy from here? Tell me, do you buy from A or you buy from B so that on C you can take profit? That's what we are doing here. The market was moving up. It is coming down on B. So we are hoping to buy on B so that we can make profit on C. So if you buy here, there's someone who bought here because the market was going up is already in losses. So I don't know what you are trying to mean, Mr. Baker, but that's how we do our things here. We buy when the market is when it is down, making a pullback so that we can make profit on it. We don't buy when the market, when people have already bought. You find the rollers are taking profit for you want to buy. They are dumping on you. They are just dumping on you, guys. They are just dumping on you. So if God doesn't give us this one, it will give us exactly. And the one which will be down, I think it will be the one which will be perfect. So here we are waiting for this. This is the second case scenario where we want gold, to come back here and sweep all liquidity which is here, and then we enter when they start breaking. This will be the best scenario. But if that one doesn't happen, then we are going to enter when they start breaking the highs of this Musumali candle. So the one I'm visualizing, I may eat it in Asian session. I may get it in Asian session. I will be with my man from Makinde. Where is my friend from Makinde? We are always hunting together in Asian session. I always hunt with my friend Simon in Asian session. Simon, are you here? Was NASDAQ a good setup? Let us check on NASDAQ. NAS. NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Why not? Well, NASDAQ is it was one of the sweetest setup because remember we say that was the last swing high. The market had come back to test it on 3H. How did we miss out on this one? The market had come back to set here on 3H. Then on this level, even though it didn't tap on this one, but we say if we get bunches of candles, at least 2 candles on the same line, we call it the area of benefit. So if they didn't test on this level and we got those 2 candles on the area of benefit on the same level, we are going to consider it as the area of benefit. So those who are in VIP, they know that one because we are standing do's and don'ts of the famous Musumali there. But even you who are here, I've already told you it. You don't be jealous to my guys. And we say as long as the market sweeps liquidity at least on 2 candles, we count it as liquidity. So let us say we were going to mark this one as our liquidity here. Wow, it was a very good setup. So we are going to risk 1 to 1, 1 to 2, and we see if the market was going to pay what we call dividends. This strategy is sweet, simple like sugar. So if you have entered this one, you are top G. So let us wait for you. We are praying for you. We hit stock profit when we are here on live. And UK 100, I'm seeing it, my brother. Maybe if there is any other UK 100, but UK 100, this is UK 100. 2H, where is UK 100? This is UK 100 I'm having here. The 100 companies of United States of America on 2H. Maybe if you are meaning this one was okay, but here I'm not seeing any other setup. Hey, you mean this one? Yes, you were right. Maybe if you are meaning this one. This Musumali here, because let us first dive into that Musumali, we see if it was a very good setup. This is UK 100. Was it a very good setup or it was not a very good setup? Let us dive into it. It was supposed to sweep liquidity at least on 2 candles. And if we can count very well, we see this was our liquidity. So we are going to mark on this liquidity. Which they swept very well on this candle, yeah. After sweeping liquidity on this candle, but I like Musumali strategy. We want to see if it by the time it came back, it didn't. Before it went up, it didn't break this rose. That means it was still valid by the time it came back. If people understand how powerful is this strategy, we were going to chase all the pain away. So someone who had risked 1 to 1, his money is already on the bank account. So you meant this, my friend, or something else? If it was this one, then you are top G. You should check on 15 minutes, otherwise gold is going up already. For us, we don't check on 15 minutes. We trade from 1H and above. On 15 minutes, there is always a noise. On 15 minutes, there is always what we call noise. Here, those who took our trade here, we are about. I told you today we were likely to make trades. AUDUSD, we entered AUDUSD. UK 100, please use Owanda, and we have not yet paid for subscription. They have taken it, guys. I'm sorry. We are not going to check UK 100. Maybe if Mr. Mobile is there. But if it is very good setup, please take it. You know the rules of Musumali in and it. Since I'm not using Owanda, my subscription expired when I'm already here on live. There is no way I can add any other pair. They have stopped me from adding any other pair. So now, those who took this trade on what we call AUDUSD, using the famous Musumali strategy, hey, people, they don't know how powerful is this strategy. Now, it is about hit our take profit. But we can still lose that trade. The market is funny, guys. But we have to keep enjoying what we have now. So far now, the market is telling us it is moving smoothly on AUDUSD. Then we have NASDAQ also. NASDAQ on 3H, it is also NASDAQ on 3H. It is also performing very well with Musumali strategy. But NASDAQ, we are not going to count it. We are going to count AUDUSD because since NASDAQ, it has just NASDAQ we found when it was already about to take profit. But it is also using smart strategy. If we want, we can still count it. Why not? But we are counting AUDUSD. Yeah, gold, we are waiting on 2H. When they start breaking the highs of 2H, it is when we are going to enter. No worries. So everything today, it is moving smooth. In Baganda, they say, Bitambranga wenabibara. NASDAQ was a good setup, 100%. UK 100, guys, if you see it, it is a very good setup. Please enter it, enter it, enter it. Today we are limited because of what we call. Today we are limited of what we call. Today we are limited because of what we call subscription, and we can't subscribe when we are here live. It is going to disorganize us, guys, but we are sorry for that. Next time we are going to improve better. So euro, even US oil, it is always good. I don't know people if they trade US oil here, but US oil, it is also a very good. It respects Musumali more than you will know. So let me check here if it had given us a trade today. So we are supposed to set here, and our liquidity that we had was here, and our liquidity that we had was here. But you guys, do you? Sometimes I wonder if people understand how powerful is this strategy, because here, oh, they gave us a very good setup. 3H, and those who took US oil, they have already won because of the famous Musumali strategy. Because I'm seeing in that candle there must be more buyers than sellers. So if you had set here, very well, you are also about to take profit if you are trading on 3H US oil. US oil. You guys, I wish you can understand how powerful is this strategy. It is hard for very many people to understand, but those who will understand and put power in it, trust me, this famous Musumali strategy is going to drain our misery because it has drained mine. And guys, I'm not selfish. I'm not saying what. I'm not saying what, but it is always in box Niklas. She's going to give you HFM. They use US oil. HFM, they have US oil. Musumali only work in uptrend, even in downtrend. But why do you want to trade a downtrend when we are in uptrend? Like, for example, in GJ, we have been selling Musumali. It works in downtrend. BTC, we were selling Musumali for almost 3 months. Yeah? We are selling Musumali for almost 3 months on BTC. Last time when we were trading live here, there is a pair that we are trading live which was selling Musumali. But those pairs are in uptrend. We can't sell it when they are in uptrend. So when it is in downtrend, we sell. When it is in uptrend, we buy. Musumali doesn't work only in buys. It works all over. I mean, like Wanda. Oh, and Wanda is also broker, like the way you see HFM, like the way you see all that. Hey, so but because Wanda is accurate, use, they don't manipulate the market and all that, but it is the one we use. I don't think that it is not allowed in many countries, but I think it is a brokerage company from United States of America, if I'm not mistaken. But HFM can also allow you to use what we call US oil. US oil, guys. US oil, guys. So this is the Musumali going down, but since we are in uptrend, don't start salivating. Wait. United States certain companies, they are also heading in devil's zone. Just know I think you know what to wait. You know what you're waiting for here. Or if this candle rejects very well here, then we are going to take buys on US oil, on United States certain companies. If it can reject like this, because our liquidity is here, if it rejects very well and it gives us Musumali, US 30, wait for us, we are coming with the famous Musumali strategy. US 30, wait for us, we are coming with Musumali strategy. But you people, do you enjoy Musumali? Or by the if I hear someone, this strategy, it is the only strategy that can drain your misery forever. Trust me. This is the only strategy that can drain your misery forever. So on 3H, NASDAQ is trying to reject when it was about to hit take profit, but it is still performing very well. It doesn't look sharp at all. It is good. Then our trade that we took, it is also still moving well on USD, JPY, but on Oz dollar, it is also not good if it crosses like this. Since it had swept liquidity and it has given us Musumali, it can first still come back here and sweep this liquidity here before it goes up. Or it can even still come back down here and sweep all this liquidity, then they give us another Musumali, then we'll enter. But before it does that, we want it first hit take profit. That is our plan. Nothing else. But me, I can be visualizing what I predict for you, what is going to happen. So this candle is not supposed to close when it is red. When it closes when it is red, don't close your trade, because remember we trade mechanical. But just know that the wind is coming. So guys, we are still waiting. AUDUSD, you drink Caro? No, we are going to eat Caro. Caro, we eat it. Because even if you make porridge in Caro, we still eat porridge. We don't drink porridge. So it is not bad. It is not bad at all. It is not so bad. It is not so bad. We are going to win this trade, trust me. It was about by 2 pips to it take profit, but it has rejected. So we don't want to cross it when it is still bearish. Yeah, but that's what happens, what I was telling you. When the market crosses and it goes direct up, it has to come back and make the lower wick before it continues going up. But this one, since it had even swept liquidity, it looks not healthy at all. Because remember, this is also Musumali like in downtrend. But since maybe let us hope that it was coming to make the liquidity overall weak, by this time candle close, our close, it is supposed to be bullish. Check on US 30. USAT, we are going to take a trade if it does what we want. Yeah, if it keeps rejecting and it gives us Musumali on this area, we are going to be left with nothing apart from executing trades. So here it gave us a very good setup. Those who know Musumali strategy. I even saw guys in VIP, they ate this one, I think. That was a very good setup here. Musumali paid dividends. But you people, do you know what I mean? Do you know how powerful is this Musumali? Or you are just there in your stories thinking about other strategies because it was developed by people from Europe. They think people from someone in dungeons of someone who was born in Uganda in the area where there is no internet can't develop strategy that can make this market feel sick. That is Musumali strategy and it won. And we are going to buy this one now when this hour closes and you are going to see what is going to happen. I am so bullish on United States SAT companies. Yes, Grandy. Yes, my Grandy. Do you? Yes, you were in VIP. Yes, you took that one. Yes, of course, of course. We are going to be winning. Those who believe in me, they are going to win forever. Those who have doubt in me, because I know not everyone who's here is happy with me. Some they come to see the downfall of Son of Sam, but there is no way you are going to see my downfall. Because I have the famous Musumali strategy. So we are also waiting here. We are going to enter US SAT. And trust me, it is the best of the best setup. This is one of the high probability setups. This is one of highest probability setups. I wish you can understand. I wish you can understand. I wish you can understand. We are going to enter here. Stop loss is going to be down here. In case it crosses like this, because you can't see a cow and you call it a meat, we first slaughter it. We first slaughter it. Guys, we first slaughter it. It. AUDUSD? Yeah. It had come to sweep to pick that liquidity down so that it can continue going up. We have seen it all. We have won it all. And we are the Musumali people. We're never gonna stop. This is Musumali strategy. We have seen it all. We have won it all. We are the Musumali guys. We're never gonna stop. US SAT, please. Yes, relax. It is still having 20 minutes. It is still having 20 minutes and to close. Yes, so relax. Relax. We still have 30 minutes to enter that yes, SAT. It can even change close when it is red. So there is no need to keep monitoring it. Let us check on silver. Silver 1H there was a very good setup, you guys. You are supposed to enter this one on silver. Yeah. Silver, it had given us a very good setup. With it. But since it has swept this liquidity, if you have entered it, you can hold on it. No problem, but it is not a good setup. But if you're already in, don't cross. You can still tunarabireyo. But it was supposed to come back down there and ship the other liquidity. But it looks good, but this liquidity, me, I can't enter it. And this candle has really approached this level. But this one is likely to win. It is likely to give us a setup. So if you are in it, swallow you water the bread. Don't speed it. NASDAQ, it entered even on the entry point, so we are going to count it as a win if it comes back on our entry point. Because we always tell you that if it comes back on entry point, you are supposed to do what we call re-enter. And this one, it has come back on the entry point, so you are supposed to do what? To re-enter. So after entering, those who are trading NASDAQ, yes, this one gave us another opportunity for those who had missed to enter. So if it wins, we are going to count it as a win. So far we have taken our 17th trade because it has come back on entry point. So you were supposed to have entered here. Those are the rules of Musumali strategy. Before it hits take profit, if it comes back on the entry point, you do enter. Understand? You do enter, then you wait. So today we may win even when we are still on live here, using the famous Musumali strategy. Yes. Those who trade NASDAQ, you are supposed to enter. Yes. I know, Rora, you are in this one. Roller and Momo FX. Momo FX, I think, are the one who trade NASDAQ. Momo, where are you? And Lola, you trade NASDAQ or US SAT? Lola, you trade NASDAQ or US SAT? Good day, Mr. Yes. My day is wonderful because we are about to eat here. We are about to eat. Trust me, it is looking sweet. It is looking wonderful. Wonderful. So let us check on gold. Let us check on our AUDUSD. Yes, we are also approaching here. Hey, today it is one of the today, sweethearts. I wish you bring for me Caro here. I eat Caro when guys are seeing because today, today we are eating. Today we are eating. I knew today we are going to eat. So AUDUSD, those who took this trade, NASDAQ, a very good setup. We are still waiting on gold. US SAT, we are also still waiting on US SAT. Yeah, it is still performing very well. If it closes like this one, we're also going to enter US SAT. So today we may even complete our sets of trades. Today we may even complete our sets of 20 trades because so far we have taken the 18th trade. So because we have two pending, we have NASDAQ pending, we have NASDAQ pending, then we also have what? So US SAT is performing very well, guys. So if you have missed on the other one, you trade NASDAQ. Did you enter that one on 3H Rora? Because it was very sweet. It was very sweet. NAS. So let us check on NASDAQ. Yes, congratulations. We won this one trading live here with the famous Musumali strategy. So if it had come back here on the entry point, you were supposed to enter this one. So we have won it. Our trade was on 3H. That is the power of Musumali strategy. People, they say, son of Sam. You keep talking. Now, trade Musumali live. Now we have been trading this live with you guys. It came back here on the entry point. Those who trade the Nasdaq, congratulations, we have won that one. Let us check on AUDUSD. AUDUSD, it is also approaching our take profit, guys. AUDUSD, it is also approaching our take profit. Yes. Yes, it is also about to give us. Nasdaq has already given us, guys. Nasdaq has already given. Yes, congratulations. We have also hit AUD USD trading live, the famous Musumali strategy. Guys, are you seeing how powerful is this strategy? Congratulations to those who have taken. So far, we have increased our tally, 18 trades. 18 trades, we had how many? Let us check. We were trading live today, and we won our 2 trades live. Guys, it is what I always tell you. We win some, we lose some, as long as the outcome is income. So those who lose 1 trade, 2 trades, and feel like you want to hang yourself, that is not how it works. That is the power of Musumali strategy. And I'm very happy, guys, there it has paid what we call dividends. So far we have 18 trades. 18 trades. We have what we call 5 losses. We have 5 losses. Then we have what we had 11 wins. Then now we have got what we call 13 wins. 13 wins when we have been trading live here. 13 wins. So I have been doing this to show you how powerful is this strategy. So far 13 wins, 5 losses. 5 losses, so 18 trades. Let us write it very clear where 18 trades. 18 trades. 18 trades. 13 wins, 5 losses. And that's how we have been making money in this market, guys. And when I've been telling you, people, they don't understand it. People, they don't understand what I've been telling you. If you keep someone who was following me, taking the trades that I've been taking on live here, is already in profit. So someone is telling me to check on GBP USD as we are waiting on our US SATA and other pairs. But also our 2 pairs that we have taken today live so far, we have won them. And it is not only those pairs that we have won, we have been winning other pairs. So today it is a beautiful day, guys. Press those like buttons. Press those like buttons. Why are you not liking this live when we are making money, guys? Maybe we stop coming here. Press those like buttons, guys. Press those like buttons. Press those like buttons. I want to see like buttons, guys. I want to see like buttons. Today we have taken 2 trades and we have won all of them. US 30, yes, US 30 is performing very well. 10 minutes to set your buy stop and you see magic happening. S&P 500, let us check on it. I think I have it here on the list. If I don't have it on the list, S&P 500, that is it. What is taking place here? There is nothing on S&P 500. Maybe it is not a wonder. Yeah, I think it is not a wonder. That's why we are not getting a clear thing. We have to look at GBP USD. GBP USD, it doesn't look. Maybe if this one rejects and it gives back, but no. Maybe if they come back in this level here. If they come back in this level here. Yeah. So now we are waiting for this. Like the way I told you, if it crosses like this, it was retesting, then continue going down. We are waiting for this one. Then we are going to do what? Even euro, we are waiting for the same thing. But if this one rejects, those who are still in that trade of euro, it is still on. If it no, they are already out, those ones on euro also. Then let us check on gold. Which gold is this one? I'm not understanding it. Let us check on gold. We see how it is performing. So far we have taken 2 trades. NASDAQ gave us a win. AUDUSD gave us a win. This is not the gold we want. Gold, we are waiting to break the highs there. They have not yet done that one. They are still coming down. So if they come down and they give us what we want here, what we have visualized, then it is going to be also okay. And so we are remaining on US 30. Let us check on US 30. US 30, it has also not doing what we wanted. It is still coming down. So I think, guys, we are going to go with, since NASDAQ has already given us and AUD, we may go with those wins then when we are waiting for what. And guys, are you seeing the benefits of risking 1-to-1? That is the benefits of risking 1-to-1. So those who are still holding on it, you want 1-to-2. That is when I tell you that the higher the risk reward ratio, the more trades you are likely to lose. The lower the risk reward ratio, the more trades you are likely to win. We always mean this one because for those who have taken 1-to-1, they are already swimming in money. Those who are waiting for 1-to-2, they are already in negative again. I'm understanding it. Mr. Kundo, Nashi, I have asked to join the VIP group, but I have even ignored Nae. I want it, Karo. No, just inbox me on my Telegram group, please. Or you can even call me direct, then we talk. Anita Arinda. Please check Euro USD. Anita Arinda. Anita Arinda, please. Just join. Telegram group link is in bio, then you call me direct. A link of our Telegram group is in bio. Yeah. So today we have increased our tally of trades to 18 trades. We have 13 wins. We have 5 losses. We want to take 20 and we see how many we are going to win, how many we are going to lose. Let us check on Euro and see. Euro USD. Euro USD. If it rejects and gives us Musumali, we are going to enter, but we are remaining with few minutes. But if it rejects and gives us this Musumali, please, we are going to enter here. Let us check on 1H. Yeah. If it rejects and gives us Musumali, please, we are entering on Euro USD. Euro USD, I'm bullish on it. Euro, I'm bullish on it, but let us see if it is going to reject. Then we have the pairs that we have been waiting on. US SAT, it has failed to give us what we want. Maybe if it can reject in this remaining 3 minutes, we can still enter it. Mm-hmm. Those who took NASDAQ. NASDAQ, by the way, is even still going. It may not come back down here. It is going to make new highs. With that card, it is going to make new highs. It is going to make new highs. NASDAQ, we entered on 3H. It gave us a very good setup. We won this one. NASDAQ. NASDAQ. So, guys, I think, tell me where you are watching from. Please check on New Zealand US dollars. Tell me where you're watching from so that we can call it a day. New Zealand US dollar, yes. Yeah. Let us enter New Zealand US dollars. We have nothing to do, even though at least it have some space to play. It is having a place to play. So let us enter New Zealand US dollar. So we are going to count as New Zealand US dollars our 19th trade. New Zealand US dollar. That is New Zealand US dollar. We are entering New Zealand US dollar, guys. When they start breaking the highs of it, enter, guys, on New Zealand US dollar. Those who have not yet made the money, the market has decided to pay dividends today. If you don't want to win when the people are winning, then what are you waiting for? You are waiting for losses. So New Zealand US dollars, we are counting it as our 19th trade. So let us see if New Zealand is going to win. There is higher chances. Let us first check on daily of New Zealand. Yeah. 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 New Zealand, we are in uptrend after breaking out here and testing it. This level. Breakout, retest, continuation. Simple. That is how we look for a trend in the market. So we are entering New Zealand US dollars. Yeah, we are entering New Zealand US dollars. GBP New Zealand. Okay, we can still check it. This is GP. This is GP New Zealand. Yes, you are saying GBP. It is GBP New Zealand. Sorry. GBP New Zealand, we are entering. Yes, it was a slip of the tongue. But this is GBP New Zealand. You were also saying it. GBP New Zealand. GBP New Zealand. It was slip of the tongue. My mind is so disappointed. Your mind is so disappointed. Go and watch our videos about endorphins. Your mind is going to start being cynical with the market. New Zealand USD. We check also on New Zealand USD. Do we have it here? Where? Yes, we have it. Did it sweep liquidity? Yes, but the upper wick is longer than the lower wick. So that means in the market, there are more sellers than buyers. Let us first measure and we see. Here we are having 4 pips. 10 and above, we're having 6 pips. We can't enter this one. There is more buyers than sellers. Maybe if you wait on 2H cross, if 2H crosses like this, let us say if it had swept liquidity down here, because even here we have this liquidity on those 2 candles. If they have not swept this liquidity, we can't enter it. Yes, they have swept liquidity, so wait on 2H. When it crosses at 6 p.m. East African time, we are going to enter New Zealand. But for now, let us wait. Let us trade New Zealand GBP. I think US started, it didn't give us what we wanted. No. So in US started, we are waiting here. We are waiting for this one. Yes, New Zealand USD will end on 2H. You are going to end on 2H on New Zealand US dollar. So guys, today we managed to win AUD USD trading live here, guys. Today we managed to win AUD USD. Those who got it, congratulations. Then we managed also to win. That was AUD USD. If you got it, you are top G. We won it live. Then we are also managed to win what we call NASDAQ. We managed also to win what we call NASDAQ. NASDAQ also paid dividends on 3H time frame. That was our NASDAQ. We won it live here. Those are not words. Those are not history. This is not backtesting that we always do in the video. This is live trading, guys. Tell your mentors to come and trade live. They fear they can't come here. This is the heat. They will be exposed. But only son of Sam can do that because I trust what I do. I trust my strategy. I trust everything that I'm doing. It is me who can do that, guys. It is me. And even few who are there who are doing it, they are not sure of what they are doing. They can't be specific on something that they are doing. We are the one who are specific on everything that we are doing. We can't come that say, buy, do what? Smart is going where? No, we start eating our words. No, if it is Musumali, it is either Musumali or not Musumali. So we have taken our certain trade. We have lost 5. We have won. We have taken our 18th trade. We have won 13. We have lost 5. And that's how we have been making money in this market, guys. There is nothing else. There is nothing else. That's how we have been making money in this market. So, guys, tell me where you are watching from. I send you ads. We call it a day. Yes, Musumali was right on NASDAQ. Yes, the Musumali was perfect because we won that trade on NASDAQ. So, guys, that's what we are going to do. So next time, Those I know, those who are missing, I want you to get live. Watch you live from Kasese, my brother. Yes. Wasibire wabirisiba. My brother. Wasibire. Greetings to everyone in Kasese. So guys, Euro USD Musumali. Guys, you don't want me to go? Okay, let us first eat that one of Euro USD. Then we go. Because I'm too bullish on Euro USD, by the way. I'm too bullish on Euro USD. Let us check on Euro USD, then we call it a day. If it is time for eating, why not eat? Why not eating, guys? Why not eating when it is time for eating? Because bad days will come. Bad days will come. Yeah, let's enter buys on Euro USD. Let me first check if there are more buyers than sellers in this market. Here we have 8.7. 15. Yeah, there are more buyers than sellers in this candle, so we are taking buys on Euro USD when they start breaking the highs of it. That is the power of Musumali strategy. Everyone can be understanding what we are looking for. We are taking buys on Euro USD. So in case they trigger that trade and they trigger the one of New Zealand, that means we would have completed our sets of 20 trades, and we want to see how many did we win, how many did we lose, did we make money. So next time when we say that we are going to start taking those trades, you are going to get a separate account, deposit your money that doesn't hurt you, divide it by 20 trades. Then you see, I take for you the next 20 trades when we are trading right here. Don't mix it with anything. Set stop process, take, buy profit. Then we are going to start extracting money. I will help you to make money. So they said, why do you say you were Rukundo son of Sem? Why can't you say I'm Rukundo son of Sem? So I think today I have to correct it and I say I'm Rukundo son of Sem. It was nice to be having you. It was nice to be having you today. Omusinga wa Kasese. Yeah, greetings. I love you, my people from Kasese. Greetings from Guru. Quiet. Is it Kuwait or Kuwait? Kuwait. So guys, it was a pleasure having you. Every Tuesday, we will always be coming here, extracting money in the market. Today, we have managed to extract money in the market using the famous Musumali strategy, and we have been doing it, guys. So before we leave, give me a favor and you press that like button. Send this live to the people, other friends and sisters, so that they can understand that there is a guy who made this market look simple. Even my grandfather can trade using the famous Musumali strategy and can still make money. So if you don't make money using here, if you don't make money by by doing what Son of Sam is doing, forget about money. Forget about trading. Press those like buttons. I want to see buttons flying. Press those like buttons, guys. Press those like buttons. Press those like buttons. Press those like buttons. Please press those like buttons so that even others. The more you press the like buttons, the more YouTube is going to recommend, the more others are going to understand what they are doing. And when we are winning, why are you selfish? Let even other brothers and sisters win. Live in Makerere University, the Harvard of Africa, Niwadini, Emmanuel. You are in the Harvard of Africa. Press those like buttons, guys. Press those like buttons. Press it, press it, press it, press it, press it. Like this live. Please like this live. Please like this live. Please like our live. Please like our live. Please like our live. Press those like buttons. I'm seeing only 63 people are liking this button, and yet so far we are almost 8. No, just like it, guys, like it. Press that like button on that drive. Press that like. Yes, I'm seeing 66. Press it. Press that like button there, so that even others can understand what we are doing. Press the like button so that we can call it a day. Press the like button. It was a pleasure having you guys. Every Tuesday, 3 p.m. East African time, we are always here. Every Tuesday. Guys, there are people who are scamming people using as a Telegram group. I only have one Telegram group and its link is in bio. The other Telegram group that you are seeing, those are scammers. It's not me. And they have scammed very many people. There is a guy who told me that he paid $300 money was for witch trading and all that. The guys, they are scamming them. And I tried to report them, but Telegram, it is also up for scammers, I think. Because they have scammed very many guys using my name, which is not good. I only have one Telegram group. Its link is in bio. Its link is in bio, guys. Its link is in bio. So press those like button. Press those like button. We call it a day. It was a pleasure having you guys. See you